Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install the Spirii Go app on your device. So let's get started. So it is very easy to do that. You have to follow this easy instruction. So if you are an Android user, you should use your Google search bar or your Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Store. Okay. So here we'll just go to the search bar and search for the app. So here I will just go as Spirii Go app. Okay, so from here you can see Spirii Go app. Just click on here, click on install button, and you can download and install the app. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.